How intricate these are. Hello. Hi there. Can I record? It's okay? Sorry? What? Sorry? Okay. Thank you. All 21 carats? 21. 21. 24? 22?
24 biscuit only, no this.
Not like this. Okay. So all of these are only 21.
21.
They're beautiful. How much would this set go for? Excuse me? How much would this be? It's a whole set? This right here. This one. How much would this be? The whole set. Price, yeah. No, just the price. Yeah, how much? No. How much? 200, 300, 400. Price. The money. Can I see? Can I show? Okay, so he's saying 1,000. So he's saying it's gonna be 13,000. 13,000 riyal. Yeah, so this is same, right? 13,000. So this would also be 13. Around. This a little more. And this one, less or more? Less. How about outside? There's a big one. How much would that be? Yes, outside here. Okay, so you guys, he's saying the really big one that's outside. 160,000. 160,000. So let me show you the one outside. This right here. He's saying this right here is going to be 160,000 riyal. So I don't know how much that is in dollars or Canadian dollars. So 160,000. That's amazing. And these right here, these are bangles. I'm sure they're about thousands and thousands of riyals. maybe 20,000, 30,000. I'm not sure. All right. Thank you. They're super nice in here. So the shop is. This is the name of the shop. I love this window. Hello, can I record? That's fine.
10 riyal.
10 riyal?
Yes.
Oh, for the. I thought you said this was 10 riyal.
No.
Oh, okay. Can you tell me how much those are outside?
Yes.
How much are they? The prices?
59.
59,000 riyal?
No. Number.
No. The necklace is outside.
Oh. Necklace?
Yeah.
Okay.
The price range between. What are the price ranges? This is riyal.
Yes.
Okay, so he's saying it will be 61,441 riyal, about. Right? Okay. All right. That's good. And it's these are just for the video for YouTube. YouTube. Yeah. And then these ones?
Americana?
Canada.
Canada.
KSA. Yes.
Very good.
What would these go for?
21 kid.
21 carats.
Yes.
And the price? Between. Okay.
هذا بنجل.
Okay, so this store is really busy. I'm gonna leave because it. I don't want them to be annoyed by me. So as soon as they ask me to leave, I'm just gonna go. And then how about these? How much would they go for? Price? Yeah.
1 gram, 2,200.
1 gram?
Yes.
200. So 1 gram would be 200. So these are about maybe
4 gram.
4 gram, 920. Okay. Okay. So it depends on the gram. So 1 gram is 200 riyal. And if it's 4 grams, you times that by 200. So a 4 gram ring would be about 900 riyal, he said. And then all of these are 21 carats. 21 carats. And these small ones? Same. It's also by weight. But these are smaller, so I'm assuming they would be all 200.
Yes.
Okay, so he's saying they're all 200 grams. So I have a ring similar to these small ones, and I got them for about less than 200 riyal, if I remember correctly. But if it's yellow gold, or sorry, if it's white gold, it's usually cheaper. So white, less. Yeah, okay. So the white ones are a little bit cheaper or less expensive. And the 18 carats are also less expensive than the 21 carats. So these are like Saudi style. Oh, he's showing me the Instagram of the store. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. And these are the sets. They're really beautiful. Indian design. These. I think this one's really beautiful. This is, I think this might be Van Cleef, like the Van Cleef gold knockoff. I'm not sure. But they're so beautiful. And he's so nice. Okay, I'm gonna go to another store and then continue recording. Alright. Thank you. Thank you.
TikTok.
That's TikTok,
Yes.
not Instagram. Yes, okay. So he's saying that was his TikTok, not Instagram. I'm not familiar with TikTok because I don't have TikTok.
Snap.
Yeah? So he's showing me his TikTok. This is your TikTok. Okay. Yours.
Yes.
Not the store's. Okay, so he wants me to show you guys his TikTok. Here you go. All right. Okay, good. Thank you. Bye. Oh my god, thank you so much. Thank you. I can't hear. Thank you so much. He's so nice. He gave me water as well, even though I already have the one before, from before. This is their store. I think I went in here already. I don't know. To be honest with you, they all look the same. So right now it's prayer time. So they close some of the shops and some of the shops aren't closed. So I don't know how it's set up and how they decide which shops to close and which shops to not close. But this is it. So I'm just waiting here for some of the shops to open up. And then I can show you more gold jewelry and more designs. So a lot of them are pretty receptive and kind with recording. I usually just have to say, hi, can I record or video? Some of them don't like to be, some of the shop owners don't like to be on video. So they usually tell you when they don't want to be on video. And I try to respect that. So look at this snake print or snake design. It's a bracelet. And this one right here. This one's really beautiful. So it's a bangle and the ring that matches. The set. So a lot of them are Saudi style, like the styles that Saudis would like, or usually like to wear. But I'm sure they can customize jewelry to your liking. So if you're not really into the style, whatever they have here, you can probably get something in there that you like, or ask them to customize a bracelet or a necklace, but that might cost you a little bit more. Hello. Is it okay if I go inside and record? It's not a problem? Can you tell me how much is the price for that one? How much is the price for that one?
The gram?
Yes, this one right here. How much?
101 gram.
No, not the gram, the price. Okay, so he's saying it's 101 grams. So 101 gram, not 1 gram. So imagine 1 gram is about 200 riyals. So it's 101 gram. Whew, that's a lot. 101 grams. And these are their belts. I know in the Somali culture we wear it during weddings, and also in the Saudi culture it's worn during a wedding. Okay, so he said that's 26,400. Okay, and they vary in prices, I'm assuming. So the heavier it is, so the more expensive. All right. Oh, there's a little child that's staring at me. Hello. These are all Saudi style?
Bahrain.
Bahraini. Okay, so these are Bahraini. Kuwaiti. And that's ladies they wear during the wedding, right?
Bahraini.
Bahraini.
Kuwait.
Kuwaiti.
Bahrain.
Yep.
Bahrain. Second one. Kuwait.
This Kuwaiti?
This Turkey.
Oh, this is Turkish. So he's saying this is a Turkish. So you have a mixture of different countries.
Different.
Different countries. Okay. Let me get the name of the store. Here's a little cute kid that was staring at me for like 5 minutes. I'm gonna turn it off.